Hello guys, good morning, and good evening somewhere. Um it's me again, Ryan, back with another, I guess, somewhat okay recap because I have two good trades with DAL and yeah, I'm gonna show that to you. So let's look at our gappers first. So today we have RARX, not good. Uh Below 20, so not good. Below 20, not good, and it's not 3%, less than 3%. So I picked only DAL and probably Roku. So I was watching DAL and Roku. The reason why I didn't pick PCG is also it's a less than $20 stock, so I don't really trade those. This one, nope, and nope, because of the float. So my first pick was just DAL, Delta Airlines, with $1.44 of ATR, but I didn't get a big move, so maybe it's gonna happen later later in the afternoon. I only had I think 50-cent move when I traded this. So yeah, let's watch. So the reason why I didn't enter here was I was watching Roku, and then I forgot to record as well. So but the thing is, Roku just squeezed up, so I didn't really have time to react and get in, so I didn't want to chase it. So I'm not sure if I can show you Roku. Yeah, I can show you Roku right now. Maybe I'll show it to you later. So I was looking at was in DAL, and then I was thinking maybe I'll just short this, and then probably risk VWAP, or maybe short somewhere here, and then just risk this area if it goes here. And I'm not seeing a lot of orders, but I'm seeing good ones like here, this one, and this one. So this 51.33 could be a good level, which is I have a line here, so I can probably have a 30-cent move, and probably just risk somewhere here or here. If I enter here, then I'll risk here or somewhere at BWAP. So looking at this, seeing this big ones, and then looking at timing sales, if it prints red, then I'll probably get in. Let's see what happened. Yep, it was printing. Okay, 1 sec. Let me fast forward this 3 times. So yeah, let's look. So it's printing more red. That's why I see more I see a potential. So right now I was risking somewhere here around this area, so probably 20-cent drop, 20-cent stop for me, hoping to get this level. So I didn't take profit at all because I was really patient and waiting for 51.30. That was my target. I did even send an order there. Yeah, let's see. So I was scared it went back to my price a little bit, so I was kind of scared. My average cost is 51.60. So yep, that was a good 30-cent move. Sometimes it's good to just send orders, because sometimes it just goes up, but it goes down and then just shoot back, because people have orders there as well. I see more red prints. That's why I held. I have an order to get out at break even. I think I mean, I took half here, by the way. So I took half of my position because I think that's a major level, and it moved almost $1 already. Not almost, but somewhat $1. So I think probably moved 92 cents. This moved 92 cents. So I was thinking, I know I was looking for orders if it's gonna break, but I didn't see a lot of big orders here. That's why I said, I'm gonna take half more. So I have 25% left. Yep, 25% left. Yeah, and then I just let it run and go to my break even. I had an order at 51, round number, just in case, but and then or at break even. Yep. So I got stopped at break even, and then I looked at Roku because Roku was just, see, imagine all the shorts were squeezed. So imagine most of the time people will get out at first minute candle. If it breaks, if it makes a new 1 minute candle, that's where everyone gets out. That's why you get this kind of squeeze. Yeah. And then I said, so this is VWAP and this is like another daily line. I said maybe it's a good time for me to re-enter again, you know. Yeah, but I was just closely watching it, and then I said I'm gonna short it, I don't know, somewhere within this range. Here is probably a bit too extended already, because if you have like, if you're trading like a really tight range, just be patient and wait. If you get in short here expecting that it's gonna go down there, you can get squeezed somewhere here. So probably best way to get in is somewhere here at VWAP, or probably here, because this is like a 50-cent move. So imagine if you're just scalping it. If you're a scalper, just wait for the right moment, and if it doesn't give you the price, then just don't do it. Yeah, like look at this, it's going back. So I was thinking maybe this a reversal. I was like asking myself if this is a reversal, because it held here twice, and then I was thinking maybe it's a good time to long. But looking at 5 minute right now, I can see like a really big wick at 5 minute. So it looked like when it went here, it got pushed around this level, got pushed, and then I see this one again, I see this one. So I have to be careful, and the stock is down 3% at the open. So I said no, maybe I'm not going too long. Then I re-entered short around this area, risking 51.81 or 51.90. That was my risk. So I was hoping for another 30-cent move, just 1 to 1, and probably the rest will be at the bottom. Yep, there. So since I preferred to get out here, that was my stop order, and then yep, it hit my level. Let's see what was my reason why, how I get in. Yeah, we have time. 51.60. So I think because of the red prints, and it broke the 9 EMA, because I was just risking here at this area, so it's probably a good move. And oh yeah, because of this wick, while I was watching the price action, and then it kind of got rejected here again, got rejected here, huge wick, and then this kind of line is like a good reversal trade from whoever was in this position. So yeah, I entered risking 51.85, 51.80 area, and now I have, yep. And then immediately once I got the 15-cent move, I immediately added a break-even order, because sometimes if it goes back, then at least I'm break even. I don't want to give back my profit. So yeah, that was my target, 51.30. There. I'm looking for more big orders. I don't see anything. I'm seeing green prints. I see one here. Yeah, I'm seeing it's like it's strong. It's kind of strong. Because if it's weak, it should have just shoot up to 50.72. I had the level there, 50.72. It's just strong. I can feel it from the order. Yeah, I see more. You see more green than reds. So I said I'm gonna take more off. Probably 51.10. Yep, there, 51.10. I prefer taking profit at pop like that. If it makes a new high, then if it makes a new 1 minute high, then that's kind of a bad sign. Yep, there. And you see orders here. This one 51.70, it could easily shoot up to there. Yep, there. Yeah, you really have to be careful. I wish we can filter out this big orders and have another level 2. Maybe there's a way to do that. Oh yeah, yeah, this is what I missed. So I was actually hoping, you know, when I saw this, I'm like, man, I don't want to chase this, because I was closely watching Roku at the open. It went up and then it kind of held this previous day high, and then pre-market, man, pre-market breakout. I should have entered here 119. See, I have a line here. Oof, frustrating. Yeah, but you know, if you miss it, don't chase it. Oh, that's a new tagline. If you miss it, don't chase it. So yeah, so I didn't want to give back. Instead of getting out again at break even, I had it a bit lower than my break even, because what if it squeeze? I don't want to give back any cent. So yeah, that's about it. That was my trade of the day. It's a bit boring. I didn't get a big move, but you know, this was decent enough. This move was decent enough, and this move was decent enough. And I was just basically sending orders when it gets rejected at this price. You know, this was the daily line somewhere, and then the VWAP is there. So yeah, my next level was there, 50.72. Yeah, so what else? Let's see what I did here. Let's probably just watch this. Yeah, so now we're seeing buying pressure. So, and it's now above this 45 EMA, and you know, it looks like whoever's short here will probably consider getting out, and then because it's a value app. Yep, there, it's a value app. Whoever's short here will probably get out here. Oh, that one's a nice move, probably somewhere here at 52. But still, you know, I mean, the stock is red, for the day, so it's kind of scary to short this stock. And there's a level here. Could probably reach around this area and maybe come back. Yep, this big wick, this is the one that you don't want when you're going against the trend. So this is probably just a fake out. Yeah, look at that. I was like drawing. You know, I could have actually shorted here when it got rejected a few times. 1, 2, 3. Short here. Look at that move. And then, you know, take profit here. A VWAP. Short here. Take. You know, when you're shorting here, you kind of risk around 120, above 122 maybe. You know, you kind of risk that and then take profit here. VWAP. Next will be here and next will be here. Yeah. You know, sometimes it's just hard when you're there, when you're doing it, and sometimes you get too emotional when you're trading. So you have to be, when you're entering a trade, you have to be very, very strict. You have to know where to stop, you know, look at your size, proper position, proper management. So yeah, see, it broke. It's crazy. Goes up, what goes up, what must come down. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock now, so it's time for me to stop trading. So yeah, so that's what I did for the first 30 minutes of the open. And yeah, done. Have a good one, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Have a good day. Bye. Peace.